How to download and install TikTok application on your mobile device. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we're going to talk about and learn on downloading and installing the TikTok application on your mobile device. So now let's get started. If you're using Android, you need to go ahead and access your Google Play Store. And if you're using iPhone, you need to go ahead, open your App Store on your device. Then from the search bar, go ahead and search for TikTok application. Once you search for it, the TikTok application will appear in the search results. Go ahead and there you'll see the option of install. Tap on it to install it to its latest version on your device. There is also another application of TikTok, which is TikTok Lite. TikTok Lite is a smaller and a faster version of TikTok. It is like the Facebook Lite application. You can also install it and start using it. Once it has been fully installed, tap on open. Then go ahead and log into your specific account and start using your TikTok application. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.